In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact sellers on Vinted. Whether you want to ask about the size, condition, or shipping, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the search bar here, you can search or browse through the listings of the item you want to buy. It's up to you. For example, in this video, I wanted to talk to the seller of this item. Click the item itself, and as you may notice, there is an option here that says message seller or contact seller depending on your account type. Because if you do, there should be a chat box that will appear, and now you have the ability to contact the seller directly. It's super simple. Of course, there is a small pop-up dialog box here that you need to take into consideration, okay? But let's say we're gonna skip all of these information and continue to conversation. You can now directly message this specific seller on the item that you are interested in. Okay, you can ask the if there is any discount, if it's negotiable, if the photos are really the recent photos that he uploaded and whatnot. It's up to you, okay? And of course, if you wanted to request more photos or any damage, but make sure to be polite and clear so that sellers respond faster when the message is friendly. And once you're done, all I have to do is super simple. Click the arrow button, hit send, and your message will now be sent directly to the seller. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.